Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Boxcar Willy in Kentucky on this RCI-2970N2. Boxcar got this new one ready to go for you. Got it set up for you, RF power all the way down, 5-watt slug. The wheel key is low as 5 watts. Now that's only so that you have full adjustability when you drive this into your amplifier. 250-watt slug. Roll the carrier all the way up. 50 watts of carrier. I'll roll it back down some, show you average power swing. Hello, 100 bird. Peak power. Hello. Just us put the 250 in the corner. And we'll go over here to sideband. Hello. Right over at 250 as well. Alright, Boxcar's ready to go for you. Hope you enjoy it. And I keep these on the shelf. If you're interested in something like this, just give me a shout at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump, bump.